The poem If by Rudyard Kipling is a paternal advice-filled poem that explores the qualities necessary for a person to become a well-rounded, morally upright individual. The speaker offers guidance on how to live a virtuous life, emphasizing the importance of resilience, humility, and self awareness. The poem advises the reader to remain calm in the face of adversity, to trust oneself despite others' doubts, and to preserve through challenges. It also emphasizes the importance of humility, urging the reader to avoid arrogance and to remain grounded. The poem's theme include resilience and perseverance, humility and self-awareness, moral guidance and personal growth, inner strength and determination. The poem's message is that if one can cultivate these qualities, they will be rewarded with a life of purpose, integrity, and fulfillment. The final line, and which is more, you will be a man, my son, emphasizes the importance to become a person of strong character and moral fiber. The poem's tone is inspirational and motivational, urging the reader to strive for all excellence and to become the best version of themselves. To conclude from the above discussion, we can say that this poem is about bravery, freedom, and nature, although having aspiration and desires are vital.